Hey, guess what day it is? It's Fresco Tip Friday. All right, I don't know if that's a real thing, but I've been toying with the idea of making some short, quick tip videos. I've been doing a lot of Adobe Fresco stuff, and Fresco and Friday, have the same thing going on there. And for me, when things sound good like that and they go together, like Fresco and Friday, I'm all in. So I don't know, maybe this will become a series. If you want to see Fresco Tip Fridays, or if you have a better idea for a name for Fresco Tip Fridays, Fresco Fridays, could just be Fresco Fridays, I don't know. Either way, let me know in the comments. Okay, so for today's Fresco Tip Friday, I'm going to show you a super easy way to use whatever brush you're drawing with as an eraser, without even having to switch to the eraser tool. All right, let's go to the iPad. Okay, so let's say you drew this sweet skull with this gritty brush texture, and you wanted to put a little highlight in this pupil. You just went and grabbed the eraser, you get this like clean, smooth line, which wouldn't match everything else. Instead of using the eraser, just stay on the brush, double tap your modifier button there, and then you can just come in and use the eraser with the same brush texture, and it looks seamless. That's your Fresco Quick Tip Friday. Fresco Friday. Fresco.